Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is gonna be another dyeing my hair video. So when I did my first dyeing my hair pink video, someone that I work with noticed that I dyed my hair and she was like, oh my god, I've been using this hair dye brand for years and years and years and I really love it. And it's really good on my hair. It doesn't cause any damage or anything like that. So she recommended that I try it, and so I ordered from them. The brand is called Madison Reed. I ordered one of their starter kits. I got this a couple weeks ago, but the reason that I've waited so long to use it is because, as you can probably tell, I just got my hair cut yesterday, and I wanted to wait until after I got my haircut to dye my hair because I kind of didn't want my hairdresser to know that I was box dyeing my hair. So, Lisa, if you see this, I'm very sorry. What comes in the starter kit box is the Radiant Cream color, which you mix with the conditioning color activator, and this is what you put on your hair, like the actual hair dye. It comes with gloves, a hair cap to put on your hair while the dye is soaking in, the applicator that goes on the bottle, and then it comes with a cleansing wipe to get the dye off of your skin. It comes with the barrier cream to put on your face so that you don't get dye on your skin. And then it comes with the color protecting conditioner and the shampoo. And then I added on the Pro Shine Boost, which is when you're already getting the kit, only an additional $5. So I probably won't use the shampoo today because I washed my hair yesterday. I think I'm just gonna put on the color and I'll use the conditioner when I'm in the shower washing it out of my hair. The color I got is Luca Light Brown, which was supposed to be a golden light brown. I'm obviously dyeing it over hair that was previously bleached. It's already supposed to have tones in the dye, but I'm assuming that the light tones and dark tones of my hair will still show through from where it was bleached versus where it's brown. So this is what the Radiant Cream color looks like. It's a permanent hair color, and it's designed to provide you with salon quality results and lasting color, is what it says. It says it's free of ammonia, parabens, resorcinol, phthalates, gluten, and PPD, and it's full of keratin, argan oil, ginseng root extract. Also, my kit came with some $15 off discount codes for your first cream kit. So if you're interested in getting $15 off, if this goes well and you want to try it out, hit up my Instagram DMs, Twitter DMs, message me on here, let me know if you want one of those codes. So I'm just going to change my outfit to make sure that I don't get dye on any of the clothes that I care about, and I'll be right back. Okay, should I read the instructions? Hold on. Let me see what the instructions are here. Oh my god, it's one of those little caps with like the pointy part on this side and you press it into the foil. Oh my god, those caps make me so happy and I have literally no explanation as to why. They just make me really happy. Okay, so you just take this and squeeze it into the bottle, I guess. Shake, 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 senora, shake it all the time. Okay, so I'll put the applicator tip on here. So let me just put on that barrier cream first, I guess. The barrier cream smells good, weirdly enough. It smells very fragranced though, so I hope this doesn't make my skin break out. Here goes it, I guess. Oh, it's actually turning a color now. Do you see that? It's darker than it was before. Interessante. Very interessante. Okay. Just gonna start right here, I guess. As good a place as any. Oh my god, I didn't even put the gloves on. What am I doing? What are you doing, Leela? And you want to make sure you get it in everywhere, all over your roots. Because if you put your hair up, you don't want like your roots in the back of your head to not be the same color as like the roots on the top of your head, you know? So you just gotta make sure you get it in everywhere. Alright, I'm gonna start rubbing that in because I have a bunch in there now. Okay, time for more. I do really like the applicator tip in this. I feel like it lets you get really deep into the roots and like have a very precise application to right where you wanted the dye to go. I already got dye on my forehead outside of the barrier cream, so we're doing great, ladies. Alright, I'm just gonna flip my hair over to make sure I'm getting the back of my head well enough to make this come down to the bottom of the bottle. Come on. There we go. I'm dog sitting for my grandma's dog right now, and she's sitting in her dog bed on the edge of my carpet looking at me like, why are you talking to yourself? Like, what are you doing? I do have to say that already this feels like it's a lot gentler on my hair than like the permanent dye that I would normally use to box dye my hair. Because that one kind of feels like it's burning my scalp and tingling, and it smells like alcohol. And this one doesn't smell like chemicals, and it doesn't feel like chemicals in my hair. It kind of feels like I have conditioner sitting in my hair, actually, which is nice. It's hard for me to tell whether I've fully saturated certain sections of my hair or not, so I'm just gonna keep going back over it and putting on more. And we'll just see how that goes. My only concern with this color starter kit is that since this is the only like size option they have, they didn't have one for like people with really long hair. I would wonder if you had really long hair if this would be enough. I'm just gonna start pouring it onto my hands instead of onto my hair to make sure I get everywhere fully saturated. Here we go. This is the color that the dye itself looks like, by the way. On the verge of having too much on my hair, but I think this is gonna be my last squirt. There's a little bit left, but I'm putting too much in, I can tell. Okay, so now I'm gonna get it all up in the shower cap. So let's do that. Need to open the shower cap. That there for a second. This is the shower cap. Alright, good enough. I ripped it. On both the ears, but you know what? Good enough. It's on there. I'm gonna take these off without getting dye all over me. So, I'll be back in 30 minutes. I hope you like this look that I have going on here. Hey, I'm back. So As you can see, my hair is still wet, but I don't really like to use heat on my hair, so I'm not gonna blow dry it tonight. So I'll wait until tomorrow to show you what the color came out like. I just wanted to say that I used, this is the shampoo, I didn't use this one, but I used the full conditioner packet that they gave me. And when it was in my hair, I realized that it had alcohol in it because I looked at the ingredients list and I was like, that's not great. So then I also went back on top of it, like after I washed it out, and I used my normal conditioner. And now that I'm looking at this one, the second ingredient is sodium lauryl methyl isethanoate. So you mean to tell me that this is supposed to be a color-saving shampoo, but there's sulfate in it? Okay. Well, it's not a sulfite, I guess it's sodium lauryl methyl isethanoate, but I'm assuming that's like the same thing as sodium lauryl sulfate. It does have aloe leaf juice in it, but that's lower down on the ingredients list. This is worse than the conditioner. The conditioner was like water, aloe leaf juice, and then alcohol. So, yeah. And I actually have this much left in the thing, so if you had longer hair than me, I think you would have still been able to get away with it, because I honestly put more in my hair than I think I even needed to. And in addition to that, I just wanted to mention, because I didn't say it before, on their website, one of the options that you can use on their website is to talk to a professional about what tones they think would look best, or what you're trying to achieve, which dye you should use to achieve that. And they also have a lot of like tutorial videos on how to dye your own hair and stuff like that, so they might even have tips for people who have longer hair. I didn't look, so I'm not sure. But I just thought I would mention that. I think those features, like they have a YouTube channel, I think, so I think those features are even like free. I don't think you have to have purchased their dye. So if you're new to dyeing your own hair, you might want to go check it out. So I will see you tomorrow morning. Good morning, I'm back. So my hair is done now, drying and being dyed and all of that. So I would love to know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. I can't say I love it. So this is how the color turned out. And you know, it's not as shiny as I feel like my normal box dye makes my hair. Like when I use L'Oreal, my hair comes out very, very shiny after I dyed it. I didn't use the Pro Boost Shine treatment last night because it says to do it after you shampoo and leave it on for 5 minutes, and I wasn't shampooing last night. So I will probably use this in a few days the next time I wash my hair, and I'll let you know how I liked it in another video. But you know, my first impressions just from that one dye application are that I don't know if this brand is really worth the money. I mean, if you're gonna box dye your hair normally with like L'Oreal that you would pick up at CVS, it would cost you like, what, $10? Versus this was like $25 or $35. I had a discount code, so I'm not sure exactly how it would be. I'll look that up though, and I'll leave it down in the description below how much it is normally. But still, I don't know if it's worth the money. I can't say that it really made my hair seem healthier or more conditioned, just because I used their conditioner and then I used my own conditioner as well. So I don't know if the conditioning color activator aspect of the dye really conditioned my hair, or if it was just the fact that I conditioned twice afterwards. And I think the color itself is a little lackluster. If it was shinier, maybe it would look better, so hopefully after the shine treatment, it'll look a little bit better, but I'm not in love with it the way that it is now. And I guess that's my final thoughts on Madison Reed, is that I don't know if it's really worth the price. So, I hope you guys are having a lovely day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back soon for more. Bye!